My name is Ulysses. I'm a project manager. My passion is using cooking to bring my family together. I always liked cooking. We're a big family. I have 35 to 40 cousins. I can't quite count them all. So it always revolved around family and food. And so we would have all these elaborate meals and new ideas and all this creativity about cooking. There's always new ways of creating food, new ways of approaching food. Discovery, it's very important because you have to be on the forefront of the new technologies and the new ideas coming out of the avant-garde chefs. And my job in Chevron, it also involves a lot of discovery because I'm always looking into what new technologies are coming up, CO2 or fuels or water management. We have to understand where things are evolving and how they're relating to each other and to us and to the future.